Hello and welcome everyone to the future of AI. Today we are excited to unveil something truly groundbreaking, Gemini, the next generation of AI technology that's powering Bard right now. So let's see how the interface of Google Bard looks like. Alright, so here I am on the Google Bard. To access it, you just need to go to bard.google.com/chat. So here is the interface. You can see right over here that you have the starter prompts, and you can also refresh them by clicking this button. So now Bard actually has a whole new field with this extensions. Okay, if you click on this extensions, so now you can extend your search. You can see right over here that it's integrated with maps. It also has YouTube vision as well, which is really important. If you scroll down, you can see right over here that it also has the integration of Google Workspace. This is the feature that makes the Bard the most powerful and useful tool. So you just need to click on this and connect this. Now, if you just move on to the settings, you can switch to the light theme, or you may just choose the dark one. So I'll prefer the dark one for now. So here's the option of new chat. If you just click on this thing, so it will open up a new chat for you. Okay, so if I just click on real facts, so you can see right over here that it's just telling you how to write prompt. So if you want to get better on writing prompts, so you can actually click on any of these and it will give you a sample prompt where you can actually change a few things and prompt to this model. Okay, so to start off the testing, I'll first confirm whether Bard is actually being powered by Gemini or not. I'll ask it is Bard powered by Gemini? Let's see what it says. So you can see that it says yes, Bard is now powered by Gemini, specifically Gemini Pro. And the upgrade took place on December 6th, 2023, and you can see that it has improvement over these things reasoning and factual accuracy, creativity as well, open-ended, and multilingual capabilities. Okay, so that's really a great thing. So there are a lot of new features in this new model of Google. Okay, so we'll explore them one by one. Google has announced 3 different models Ultra, Pro, and Nano. Okay, Gemini Pro is actually powering this Bard right now. You can ask it is Gemini Pro or Ultra powering Bard? So you can see that it's showing you the breakdown of different Gemini models. Nano, okay, it is the lightweight version of Gemini. It's basically meant for voice assistants and home devices. Then the Gemini Pro, which is powering Bard, and Gemini Ultra, they are thinking to power Bard with this model in early 2024. And with the integration of this model, I believe that Bard will be a whole new thing. So the best thing I like about Bard is that it can double check the responses. You just click on this button, it would search on Google. You can see right over here. And if you just click on understand the results, it will provide you with the results. It shows you where this text is about, and you can see the search related topics as well. So if you just click on this thing, it will open up a new tab for you where you can actually find the useful articles related to this. But when we compare GPT with this Bard, GPT does not have this feature. So that's really a cool thing that Bard brings on the table. And you have also a few different options underneath each chat. You can just click on good response. So it will make Bard better, okay? Because this will also help to train Bard in a better way. Alright, so now let's try to have a slight comparison of Bard with its competitor GPT-4. Alright, so the next prompt I'll be giving to this Bard is for research purposes, but I want to compare Bard with GPT-4. Let's see who performs better in this scenario. So alright, I'm saying what is generative AI? Explain in simpler terms, okay? I actually like the speed of Google Bard. It's super fast. And one thing I like about Google Bard is that it gives you 3 different drafts. You can quickly switch between these drafts, while as compared to GPT-4, you just need to ask it give me another response or something like that. So Bard says imagine you have super creative friend who can write stories, draw pictures, compose musics, even make videos. That's kind of what generative AI is like. Oh, that's great. Okay. and it gives you like the information as well. Like think of it like this. You can show generative AI thousands of pictures of dog. Okay, generative AI learns all about what makes a dog look like a dog. Okay, so it gives you examples as well, pretty much simple examples to actually help you understand. Okay, so if I just read this one, this response is actually nothing in front of what Bard has produced with the help of like Gemini model. Okay, so I really like the response of Google Bard. It's like really simpler, and you can see that how compelling is the start. It gives you like a great vision to understand what like generative AI is. So I believe that the Bard is actually the winner in this scenario. Okay, and with the help of the features the Bard is providing us, it's like really cool. I like Bard because of its like great capability of like online surfing. Okay, it's powered by the most powerful search engine in the world, which is like Google. Okay, whereas GPT-4 is powered by Bing, okay, which is not that great as compared to Google. So if I just say like, give me 3 sources, okay, to ChatGPT as well, it's doing like searching, okay, with the help of like Bing. Yeah, you can see that it's providing you with the links. Okay, if I just click on this thing, it opened up a new article for me where I can read about like generative AI, and you can open up like different articles. But I don't know what's the problem with Bard here. Okay, Bard doesn't take into account like the previous responses that great as compared to like GPT-4. So this is the thing I think Bard needs to like improve. But other than that, the features in Bard are like really amazing. Alright, so I'm giving it another prompt like write an email to a client letting them know that I could not take their project. So let's send out this and see which one performs better in this scenario. Okay, so yeah, you can see that you can quickly choose like different responses. Okay, you can regenerate the drafts as well, whereas you can only regenerate a single response in ChatGPT. So dear client name, thank you for considering me for the project. There's several factors that contribute to my decision. That's like a good response. Okay, if we just go to like ChatGPT, like it says like, I want to express my gratitude for considering me for this opportunity. So after analyzing like both of these drafts, I believe that ChatGPT has like done a better job in this scenario. Okay, you can see right over here that this draft is like looking more professional. ChatGPT has done like a great job. All right, so now let me show you some of the unique use cases that Google Bard has come up with. So the first one is like YouTube visions. I can ask it like some YouTube videos on like baking a cake. So you can see that it's like using this YouTube extension. Okay, so if I just click on any one of this link, it will open a YouTube video for me. So you can see that it's taking in consideration like 5 videos. It can actually search the YouTube. Because you know the reason, YouTube is owned by the same company as Bard, so it can actually search for YouTube as well. So now another important use case, it also has access to your Google Workspace. Okay, I asked it like which document I created last in Google Docs, give me an overview. So it said like the document title Excel pivot chart tutorial was like created on Monday, April 10. Okay, so you can see that I can just open up this thing from here as well, or you can see the last few documents that were created by you. So that's really a cool feature that actually makes Bard stand out. Now Google Bard has actually vision as well. So if you just upload an image, suppose I upload this simple chart in Google Bard. Okay, so if I just click on upload image, so I can say like, what is this data about? Give data like in tabular form. So let's see what it generates here. Okay, so you can see that it's providing me with the table as well. And another cool feature which Bard has, like you can simply export this data to like Google Sheets. If I just click on this button, so you see that it's quickly created like a complete table. I can now export the data from my response to like Google Sheets, and that's really a cool and useful feature. Okay, another cool feature that Google Bard has, like you can now play the response. Okay, you can actually click on this listen button and it will actually play the response for you.
Pivot chart tutorial, step by step with examples.
And with Gemini model, it also made it better. The voice is better now. So that's really a cool and great feature of like Bard. with Gemini. Another important thing is that you can now simply share your response. You can click on this share export and you can export it to docs. You can draft it in Gmail and you can actually share, okay? Share as a link. Like you can share an entire chat and send it to someone else. For example, I get into a problem and I solve it with the help of Bard. You can actually share the whole response as a public link, okay? You can see right over here that bard.google.com/sharing. You can see that it says like you can share chats or an individual prompt and response. So I believe that that's really a cool feature. So with Gemini Pro model, Bard is now whole more powerful as it was before. And I believe that with Gemini Ultra, it will get better and better, okay? I believe that Google will quickly release Ultra so that Bard would have a whole new feel, okay? So that marks the end of this video. I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I shall catch you up in some other one. Till then, have a good day. Bye.